Guys, what is going on, and welcome back to another car stands video. Today I have for you SF, all right, R8 4K by Warsons Media. And by the time you guys are seeing this video today or tomorrow or tonight, this morning, whenever you guys seen this video, Warsons have officially hit 500,000 subscribers, and that's all thanks to you guys. You guys are so amazing. And the reason why I'm saying thank you for him hitting 500,000 is because, I'm able to react to his car stands videos because he's doing it, for you guys, for all of us, and it's his passion too. So I'm glad that he reached that goal. Warsons, congratulations, bro. The next step is 1,000,000, and I know you got this, bro. You got this. Guys, thank you so much for all the support on the car channel. Thank you for always like, comment, subscribing. Let's check this out. Let's check it out. Yo, the Audis, I really love the Audis, man. I really do. The Audis are really nice. This was like really bright in my eyes earlier. See, now it's perfect. Weird. Man, I would love to own an Audi. I would love to own an R8. Old or new, it doesn't matter. Look at this thing, yo. I think this is one of the older ones. Yeah, it is. It is. It's not one of the 2020s or the 2021. This thing is like either 16 or 17. It still looks nice though. Oh my god. See, I would definitely recommend, if you guys want to buy a supercar, go for like an Audi or a Corvette, or a GTR, because those are way cheaper than a McLaren, or a Lamborghini. Like, start off slow and then try to trade this car up for something more expensive, but just this by itself is nice. Like, look at this, bro. How tall is this guy? Wait, you see how he had to get in this car? How big is he? This thing is sexy, bro. Oh my god. But the new ones look crazy. They look sleek, really sleek. That person in the Mini Cooper got scared. My eyes are open. Yeah, I really like it, bro. It looks nice. Looks really nice. Warsons Media, baby. Wow, Warsons, good shit, man. Good shit. And also, congratulations for reaching 500,000, man. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Definitely more videos coming up on the channel. I love and appreciate every single one of you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, peace.